is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and I'm here with Fulton Innovation, and they're showing some wireless charging solutions. As we can see here, we've got a tablet that's been, it's basically a Samsung Galaxy Tab 7-inch tablet, which has been outfitted with a wireless charging back so that you can put it on this device here, and you can see that it is charging right now, even though there's no wires going to it. But in addition to that, you can use the battery on this tablet to charge another device, which we're going to see. So. And now we can see that the battery on the phone is charging, and it's basically just drawing power from the battery below it. And you know, if you've got a phone, and smartphones these days, the batteries don't tend to last very long. And tablets, on the other hand, if it dies, you can still receive phone calls as long as your phone's working. So this is the sort of solution that might make sense if you tend to carry around two devices and can't find a wall jack. Is that pretty much it?
Yeah, that's pretty much it. You have one device that one's a little bit higher than the other. They'll talk to each other and trade power. They'll see which one needs more power than the other. And then you can take that and you can use it to power other devices as well.
So you could actually charge the tablet from your phone as well?
You can charge the tablet from the phone. If this one has more power and you need a little bit, you want to watch a movie, play a game, transfer the power back and forth between the one that needs a little bit more at that time.
And when do we expect to see these in the market?
So this technology is available right now. We think it's something that we can add into the Qi wireless power standard. But right now it's available technology that could be added into any device today.
Okay, so this isn't something that you guys don't sell this directly to consumers. You're hoping to find partners that build it into future tablets, smartphones, and so forth. Yeah,
we're a technology company that will license our technology. You can put that chipset into your new product, and we'll help you do it.
And the devices that we're seeing right now, I mean, basically you took the back off, slapped it in, put it right back on. It's no thicker than it was
That's
before.
correct. It's exactly the same size that it was, and then this one as well. This is an existing product that's already came as a Qi compatible product, and then this is one that we modified, and as you can see, it fits in the same existing space.
And in order to have this charging device, like if you just basically bought an existing Qi product and then, you know, say your tablet then has the, I mean, how does it work? Like, do you need both of them to be compatible with this device-to-device thing?
Well, if the idea going forward would be that that this now is a Qi compatible transmitter. So if you have any Qi device, it will work on you. The other idea to be able to take that is now say, if I've got this device with me that I can't power something, I can use that as a source of power for some other very creative things. So we're using this as a bridge to other media, into an enabling technology for printed electronics. So this is a printed electronic poster with a whole bunch of sensors that would control some media. But if you take a look, very thin, it's just some ink that's printed on the paper. If I take this device and place it down in the right position, then that should be hear the sound right now, but now this is something I can interact with.
And basically you're using this as the battery for that.
This is now the power source. So we've showed before that you could have something like this magazine that would be in a rack and receiving power interact with the user. So now you can take it home if there's some interactive features, you've still got a way to power it out. The other thing, kind of the next logical step behind that, if you've got printed electronics, going to say you've got a roll-up keyboard, something that can be incredibly flat that you take along with you. The idea would be you would now have all of the electronics for the communication and the sensing that you've touched it. If you could take your phone, your tablet, set it down, power as well as have the communications. This can be a very, very portable something to help enable your productivity.